In this video, let's talk about how to use Temu bestseller to find viral TikTok products. So if you're trying to find the trending or the viral products inside of TikTok using Temu, let me show you a few sections that you can find them. The first one being the category section. Once you're inside of the category section, make sure that you're inside featured, and if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see a section which says trending items. You'll be able to see all of the items that are currently trending inside of Temu, which means these are the products that people are buying the most. So this is the first section where you'll be able to find the viral items. Secondly, what you can also do is tap on the search bar on the top and then search for something like TikTok viral. This way as well, you'll be able to find products that are actually trending or viral in TikTok, so that you can view all of these products being displayed. So using the category section or using the search section, you'll be able to find the viral TikTok products. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.